Best medical items for protection against COVID, RSV, flu, and the common cold. As we navigate through seasons of various respiratory illnesses like COVID-19, RSV, influenza, and the common cold, having the right medical supplies on hand is essential for protection and prevention. From sanitizing wipes to rapid testing kits, the right tools can help reduce the spread of viruses and keep you and your community safe. Here, we explore some of the best medical items available at MFI Medical to help protect you from these common infections. Essential medical items for protection and prevention. Market Lab Bowman Infection Prevention Organizer Station. The Market Lab Bowman Infection Prevention Organizer Station is designed to keep all essential infection control supplies in one convenient location. This organizer can store gloves, face masks, gowns, and hand sanitizers, ensuring quick access to vital protective gear. It's ideal for use in healthcare settings, public areas, and workplaces. Key features: holds multiple infection control supplies, durable construction, ideal for healthcare and public spaces. Sono Healthcare 20-count soft-pack disinfecting wipes. Maintaining clean surfaces is crucial in preventing the spread of respiratory viruses. Sono Healthcare disinfecting wipes are formulated to effectively eliminate bacteria and viruses on high-touch surfaces. These wipes come in a convenient soft pack, perfect for use at home, in healthcare facilities, or on the go. Key features: kills 99.9% of bacteria and viruses, portable soft pack, safe for use on various surfaces. Clarity CovaBlock COVID-19 IG/IgM Rapid Test Cassette. Quick and accurate testing is key to managing the spread of COVID-19. The Clarity CovaBlock Rapid Test Cassette allows for the rapid detection of COVID-19 antibodies, helping to identify individuals who have been exposed to the virus. This rapid test is easy to use and provides results within minutes. Key features: rapid antibody detection, easy to use cassette format, results in minutes. Life sign status COVID-19/flu A and B rapid immunoassay. Differentiating between COVID-19 and flu symptoms is critical for appropriate treatment and isolation protocols. The life sign status COVID-19/flu A and B rapid immunoassay is a quick diagnostic tool designed to detect and distinguish between COVID-19, flu A, and flu B infections. With its rapid results, healthcare professionals can make informed decisions promptly. Key features: simultaneous detection of COVID-19, flu A, and flu B, rapid results, convenient for healthcare settings. Quick View Respiratory Syncytial Virus RSV test. RSV can be a severe illness, especially in young children and older adults. The Quick View RSV test offers quick and accurate detection of the RSV virus, allowing for timely intervention and care. It's designed for use in both clinical settings and at the point of care. Key features: rapid detection of RSV, easy-to-use test format, suitable for clinical and point-of-care use. Purell Professional Surface Disinfecting Wipes. Keeping surfaces sanitized is crucial in preventing the transmission of viruses. Purell Professional Surface Disinfecting Wipes are effective against a wide range of pathogens, including COVID-19, flu viruses, and the common cold. The wipes are gentle on surfaces and leave no harsh chemical residue, making them ideal for use in healthcare settings and homes. Key features: kills 99.9% of germs, safe for use on a variety of surfaces, no harsh chemical residue. Germ War Hand Sanitizer. Hand hygiene is one of the most effective ways to prevent the spread of viruses. Germ War Hand Sanitizer provides powerful protection with a high alcohol content designed to kill germs on contact. Its compact design makes it easy to carry and use whenever necessary, making it perfect for healthcare professionals, office use, and personal care. Key features: high alcohol content for effective germ killing, portable and easy to use, suitable for daily use. Frequently asked questions. 1. How often should surfaces be disinfected to prevent viral transmission? High-touch surfaces should be disinfected frequently, especially in public and healthcare settings, using disinfecting wipes or sprays. 2. Can these products be used for home and personal use? Yes, many of these products, such as hand sanitizers and disinfecting wipes, are suitable for home, office, and personal use to help prevent the spread of illness. 3. How do rapid tests help in controlling the spread of infections? Rapid tests provide quick results, allowing individuals and healthcare providers to take appropriate actions, such as isolation or treatment, to prevent further spread. 4. What is the most effective way to protect against respiratory viruses? A combination of good hand hygiene, using disinfectants on surfaces, wearing masks, and timely testing are all effective measures for protecting against respiratory viruses. 5. How can the Infection Prevention Organizer Station benefit a healthcare facility? The Organizer Station provides easy access to essential infection control supplies, helping streamline safety protocols and ensure that protective gear is always within reach. Having the right medical supplies is essential in protecting yourself and others from COVID-19, RSV, influenza, and the common cold. From rapid testing kits to high-quality disinfecting wipes and hand sanitizers, these products help reduce the spread of viruses and maintain a safe environment. For more information or to purchase these items, visit the product pages using the URL provided. Thank you for exploring MFI Medical's Guide to Best Medical Items for Protection Against COVID, RSV, Flu, and the Common Cold. Visit mfimedical.com and find the perfect fit today.